How to change keyboard color on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard color on Android phone. First, then open your keyboard and now just click these 3 points here, and here we'll find themes. Click on it, and as you see now, just select any keyboard you want, like this one here, this one. Click on it and then just wait, and that's it. It's easy, and you can change it again if you want. Just press on any keyboard you want, and that's it. And that's how to change keyboard color on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.